Hey guys, let's see how to fix the WhatsApp storage full problem. In my case here, I can still open my WhatsApp, but sometimes when you try to open it, you see the message here, the storage is full, you cannot not open it up. If that happens, you just need to come and clean some pictures on your phone, then you come back and try to open it again. As soon as you can open it, you can just come here to settings, and then come down and look for storage and data. And from here you can clean your WhatsApp. Just come to the manage storage, and here you're gonna see how much storage your WhatsApp is using. In this case, 592 megabytes. Sometimes it's pretty high. You just need to come here and start deleting files. Let's say here, for example, you have a lot of files from family or somebody sending a lot of files. You can just select them here, like so, and then you can delete them, right? Just make sure that you have a backup of the files, or you can delete them. Just make sure of this, and then you can just come here, delete them, right? And then when you come back here to the settings, not come back, but when you come here to settings, iPhone settings, right? You go down in general and iPhone storage. And from here you can see how much space is being used. Right now it's 63.3 of 64, so it's still using a lot of space here. And then I can check how much WhatsApp is using. Right now, WhatsApp is using the most space here, you see, 1.67, followed by DJI Mimo with 1.61 gigabytes. So I'm running out of space here on my iPhone. So I need to keep deleting pictures and also delete apps that I'm not using, right? If I delete this one, for example, I can save a lot of space. To delete this ones, if I'm not using it, I can just click here and delete the app or offload the app, right? So that's gonna save some space here. So I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.